Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem an Apple gift card in the App Store. So let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account. From here, tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. You have two options. You can use your camera to scan the code on the gift card, or you can enter the code manually if you prefer. To scan, tap Use Camera and scan your code. This typically works with physical gift cards, but not always with digital gift cards. In my case, it's a digital card, and it didn't recognize itself, so we need to go manual. Just tap Enter Code manually. Then, enter the code you have. Once you've entered or scanned the code, tap Redeem. Typically, after this, you need to enter your iCloud password to confirm. Just enter your password and continue. And that's it. Your Apple ID balance is now updated, and you can use it for apps, games, subscriptions, or other App Store purchases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.